Hello, boys and girls. Welcome to this additional in today's newspaper of Friday. Yes, Friday, January the 8th, 2021. Yes, tomorrow the weekend will start, but first we will solve this baby, a binary puzzle. A number, yes, number 2133. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. Now we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. We have here 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Alright, a double one, here an O, there an O. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Then double one, here no, there no. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Okay, a double O, here one, there one. A double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. We have now 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Then alright. Between an O and a 1, there's always with 2 empty boxes. There's always an O and a 1 here. So with the first one, the second one, the third one, and the fourth one. So this should be an O. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Right. This is also between an O, between a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes. So always an O and a 1 here. I do not know in which order, so we need to compare. How about those? Yeah, I need to compare. So do we have here the ball? Yes, the first column and the last column. O, 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 1, 1, empty box, O, O, 1, 1, 1, 1. So we need to switch these 2 digits. We have 1 here, this should be an O. With an O there, this should be a 1. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Here we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Do I need to compare? Yes. Can I compare the rows? Let me see. Yes. This first row and the 6th row. O, O, 1, 1, empty box, O, O, 1, 1, O, 1, 1, O, O. Yes, we need to switch these 2 digits. With 1 here, this should be an O. With an O there, this should be a 1. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. And between 2 ones comes an O. Finish in 4 minutes. Alright. Great. A binary puzzle. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you. The last Sudoku is a tectonic one. Tectonic with 4 stars. So prepare for the last one. It will be, I think, difficult. Yes, difficult one. So see you later. Bye-bye for now.